LUMINARY was a phase II signal finding study where we dosed a small subset of patients in an open label fashion, meaning that all patients in the study were getting study drug and knew that they were getting study drug. And this study was part of our CogNext data generation platform. In this, we assessed patients for a baseline period where we assessed their cognitive ability multiple times prior to starting treatment. Then we dosed them for 2 weeks with SAGE-718, and then also followed them up after treatment was completed. And we employed a relatively comprehensive cognitive battery over the course of the study. This battery allowed us to pick up on subtle changes in cognition that patients may be experiencing over the course of the study. They also measure cognition in multiple ways, so that if we see a signal in one area and we see a signal in another area, we're able to sort of triangulate and say, we think that this is a signal worth pursuing. And in fact, that's what we saw in the study. We did multiple assessments of executive functioning. Executive functioning is a higher order cognitive ability that allows us to plan, multitask, hold multiple thoughts online. And we actually saw improvement on multiple tests of executive functioning in the course of 2 weeks of treatment in LUMINARY. We also saw on tests of memory and learning improvement as well. And these are two domains that we think are really important to everyday functioning in patients with Alzheimer's disease, as well as patients with other neurodegenerative illnesses. And then last but not least, safety and tolerability is something that we're looking for in all of these studies. We continue to see a very safe and well-tolerated profile with SAGE-718, which encourages us to continue development with the molecule.